So, it's gonna be a little loud. I'll probably end up muting this or something, but alright. So you see we got it going on over here. See these rivets right here? I already got these off. I already punched them out with a, I don't know what that is. But we punched them out with that through the center, boom, 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 all the way down and around. And now we're gonna see if we can't chop these off with the chisel. Boom. Oh, these are going a lot quicker now. Just that simple, ladies and gentlemen. And that's what we're doing all the way around. These bigger ones are a little bit easier than the little ones, oddly enough. I guess because it's got a lip to hold on to. But we're gonna move that around and hopefully we'll get a couple sections of this done today. I've been slacking, so it's time to get back on the move before winter. All right.